Hi, I'm Joy Walker from Avon. You met my friend Liz in a previous video, and now it's my turn to tell you about a wonderful opportunity available only to new representatives like you. It's called our Avon Business Booster. This beautiful box comes with several full sizes of our most widely recognized and well-known products: a motivational and instructional CD, a success magazine, samples, and a quick guide to boosting your business. As with getting started, you'll find a quick guide to boosting your business flyer in your Business Booster. Here, you can learn how to grow your sales as you grow your team, one step at a time. And as your representative's earnings grow, so will yours. Let's talk for a moment about products. You have to become familiar with your products to sell them, and our Business Booster gives you the opportunity to do just that. Did you know that certain product categories are designed to help your business in very specific ways? You'll find you can open doors with color and personal care products. They're affordable, which makes them a great way to get started with new customers. And in your Business Booster, there may be color products like lipstick and mascara. In North America alone, Avon sells 15 lipsticks every single minute. So that's a great product to get you started. Use them, demo them, sell them. And if your customer likes a certain lipstick, be sure to suggest a matching nail enamel. Always be looking to build your team. Do you know someone who could benefit from extra income? Who doesn't? Be sure to introduce them to the Avon opportunity. Avon fragrances are a terrific way to build your business. Fragrance is often an impulse buy, so always wear our fragrances and have the beautiful bottle handy to show off. And remind your customers that Avon fragrances make wonderful gifts. Give out samples whenever possible. And with the samples in your Business Booster, Avon has you covered. And which category has the most earning potential? You guessed it, skincare. And Avon has a wide variety of high-quality, cutting-edge skincare products that provide a solution for every concern. Your Business Booster will have products like cleanser, treatment, and moisturizer, all of which you'll be able to demo or sell. And if your customer buys a moisturizer, don't forget to mention the cleanser or eye cream that goes with it. Skincare is the foundation of a successful Avon business. And the Anew brand, with its trusted quality and clinical proof, is well-known and well-respected. Anew will enable you to share the power of a lifetime of beautiful skin with your customers. So get involved with skincare. Use the skincare selector tools and card available on youravon.com to help your customers identify which of Avon's products, your products now, will give them the maximum benefit. Ideally, you'll get your customers on a skincare regimen. That way, with your guidance, they'll order and reorder several of our skincare products on a regular basis, and you earn with every order. And I can't emphasize it enough. Another way to grow your earnings is to grow your team. Partner with your upline or district sales manager and participate in district recruiting events. The CD I mentioned a moment ago features tips and strategies to help you attain success, and Success Magazine is published for those of us in the direct selling industry. It highlights successes as well as insights from business leaders focused on growing your sales and developing your team. Both the CD and Success Magazine will provide ideas and strategies that are sure to boost your business. So let me close by saying congratulations! Your interest in the Business Booster says you're serious about your business, and so are we. And all of these important categories, color, personal care, fragrance, and skincare, are a part of your Business Booster. With over $100 worth of products for just $35, the Business Booster is a great investment. But perhaps even more importantly, it shows you're invested and determined to get on the fast track to success. Enjoy your beautiful Business Booster and all the products in it. Use them, display them, and share them. And to learn more about your sales leadership earnings opportunities and bonuses, check out the Jumpstart flyer in your appointment kit. And look for more Avon opportunities in the Just For You video. It's a terrific program that's, well, just for you, our new representatives.